So here's the persistent, seemingly unfixable screen overlay problem on Android. It's the 10th of January, and I have the latest version of everything. So if I try to create a meeting, this is what the problem looks like. I mean, this is obviously with any app that requires overlay permissions. So every app that's asking for permissions to do things on my phone, I get this problem. Screen overlay detected. So I open the settings. There are lots of apps here. None of them have screen overlay permissions. I've turned all of them off. Apart from Zoom, which I assume isn't causing its own problem. I have show touches on for this video, but I've tried turning that off as well. So I don't know where else to look, but yeah, that's the problem I have. So I can't use half the new apps on my phone since this problem has started.